The Teacher Conservation Workshop is a week-long professional development event that uses the forest as a window to environmental education. Activities are led by foresters, biologists, educators, and industry professionals. The workshop focuses on environmental, economic, and social benefits of Georgia's forestry and wildlife communities. Participants will learn hands-on practical exercises that can supplement their classroom curricula and student projects. Certifications in Project Learning Tree, Wet and Wild will be awarded at the completion of the workshop. Workshop sessions will take place off-site and mostly outdoors in the forest and in manufacturing facilities within a 2-hour radius of Charlie Elliott. Sessions will demonstrate the cycle of growing trees and managing for wildlife, water, and recreation. By the end of the workshop, participants will apply the concepts learned during the workshop in their classrooms by using Project Wet, Wild, and Learning Tree. Understand the interconnectedness of terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems as it pertains to natural resource management. Design a mock forest management plan that addresses natural, economic, and social constraints. Discuss trees as an agricultural crop compared to the more general concept of a forest. Explain the difference between varying landowner objectives, such as private tree farms versus industrial forest lands. Illustrate the role of conservation as it applies to natural resources.